Now let's remember the one rule, which is pixels versus vectors. So Photoshop is pixel based, it's made for photos and image editing. Illustrator is vector based, it's made for shapes, logos, icons, and line work that can stay crisp at any size. Pixels are like tiny squares. If you scale them too much, you'll see blocks. Vectors are like math. They redraw cleanly no matter how far you zoom. So if your work looks blurry, it's usually because something that should be vector was made as pixels, or a pixel image was scaled beyond its limit. And now, first things first, we're gonna do the zoom test. So I'm gonna open up a new file at 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Make sure my resolution is at 300. Now I'm just going to place my logo within this file by going to File, Place Embedded. I have my logo here. You can see right away, we can see that it's pixely. But first, I'm just going to stretch it out so that it fits on my Photoshop board, and then I'm just gonna hit done. Now as I'm zooming in, we can see those pixels start to manifest. So when I click on this, I'm not able to select stuff. It is an image. Now let's see what this could look like in Illustrator. Now this is my Illustrator file where I made this simple logo. If you want to watch a tutorial on how I created this based off a sketch using Illustrator, go ahead and check it out on our channel. We can see that this file has vectors that we can edit. For example, when I double click here, I'm able to select this ear. I can move it around as much as I want to. Same with everything else. So this is not an image-based logo. Now let's test to see if we can see any pixels. So I'm gonna just hit Control+ and zoom in repeatedly. And the only thing that I see pixels of is that little shadow effect that I added to make my logo stand out a little bit more. So that's totally okay. Just the lines and the blocks are not getting blurry at all, which is good. So ultimately, use Photoshop if you're gonna edit photos or textures. Use Illustrator instead for logos, diagrams, icons, or any graphic that must stay crisp and high resolution. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.